Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog toilets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pick for Life Artificial Dog Grass Turf. The design of Pick for Life dog grass and similar indoor toilets simulates a patch of grass. This faux grass fits over a plastic tray that traps urine, which can be easily removed and washed. One of the most significant benefits that pet owners find with the Pick for Life dog grass system is that it doesn't allow urine to soak through to the flooring. It provides a more natural potty environment for their dogs, making it a popular indoor dog bathroom choice. Many dog owners choose the dog grass system because it offers a more hygienic method for toilet training than other indoor toilet methods. The grass top quickly drains to create a dry surface that prevents your dog's paws from becoming urine-soaked. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Brilliant Pad Smart Indoor Dog Potty. The brilliant thing about the Brilliant Pad is that it cleans itself. It plugs into an outlet and automatically advances the roll 1 to 3 times per day. One roll is similar to 21 traditional potty pads, so you can go for days or potentially weeks without changing the roll. The roll soaks up urine and waits for poop to dry out. Then, the machine wraps and seals the waste to keep your home from getting smelly. Once the roll is all used, you can dispose of the entire thing. The rods and end caps biodegrade in most landfills. It also has an app that gives you remote access and alerts you when your dog has a potty break. At number 3, we have the BANU Puppy Pea Pad Holder. Graded pet toilets are indoor dog toilets with a tray underneath the potty area to catch urine. A grate on top of the tray allows the urine to drain from the top surface so the dog isn't standing in it. Often, these toilets are combined with potty pads inside the tray to help absorb urine. This toilet type is ideal for pups who tend to chew their pee pads. It has rubber grips to keep it in place on slippery floors, and the layers snap together. While this is similar to the indoor grass concept, the material doesn't provide the familiarity offered by a grass-like surface. At number 2, we have the Starter Kit Chic Dog Potty. City Loo offers a stylish, space-saving dog potty your pup can use almost anywhere. It is designed like an igloo and made for both indoor and outdoor use. The City Loo Chic Dog Potty includes a compact fiberboard dog potty with artificial grass, potty pads, and an odor-absorbent tray. The sides are designed to be sanitary and feature pee pad clips holding the pee pad up against the back wall to catch the mess. The City Loo can be used in any weather and is perfect for pups who refuse to go out on cold or wet days. It has a potty enclosure, an easy access entryway, and see-through acrylic walls. The City Loo Chic Dog Potty is available in white or black. And finally, at number 1, we have the Honey Care AllAbsorb training pads. Potty pads are popular when first housebreaking dogs. Potty pads are thick sheets of diaper-like material that you place on the floor. Ideally, you put a clean pad close to the door to encourage the dog to go to the door when they need to go to the toilet. Potty pads are affordable, but one of the messiest indoor dog toilets because they can leak on the floor and are difficult to pick up without spilling the contents. If your dog does miss, you'll need to sanitize the area with pet-friendly, odor-reducing cleaners. One of the benefits of potty pads is that they're easy to pack for potties on the go. We like these AllAbsorb training pads because they're super absorbent, have an odor neutralizer, and are quick drying. They're also an excellent value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.